Right. I guess that's time, right? Yeah. Oh, Jimmy.
Pleased to meet you.
Chapman.
Pleased to meet you. All right.
How you doing? As soon as I was sitting over there, I thought, who's that boy with the weird moustache? It can only be.
I pointed it there.
Oh man. How was it in there?
This is security camera. I'm liking the shirt though. The shirt's lovely.
I think it's a wee bit too tight for me, if I'm being honest. I was hoping to go on a diet and lose a few more pounds for it, but the wheels came off the wagon. So I'm now here with an empty bag ready to stuff with freebies.
Now see, I never thought that far ahead.
I'm usually horrendously unplanned. Right. Well, wait, who's got the backpacks? See. Right. Okay, cool.
So you've already got yours printed out. Yeah, do you want to follow me over?
Right. No worries.
Goes now waiting to be printed.
Right. Cheers, pal. Thank you. I'll take another copy of the plan. Scan. Cheers, mate. Fantastic. Right. Let's get the show on the road. Here we go, kids. Welcome to installer. This is 4, isn't it?
So much quicker than using extra tools.
Hey, how you doing? Not bad.
So my name is
Pretty good. Am I allowed to print this?
Absolutely, yeah.
So the house builders typically between 20 and 150 homes.
Do you have to burn these internally and that just straight on?
This, like so, straight on. Just give it a quarter turn. Okay. And that will bite. That now, without being crimped, will take about 4 bar of pressure, okay, and it won't come off. We've been out to site where we've seen basically got a full live system, and it hasn't been crimped. It will just be weeping, but you can actually crimp it live.
Well, that's handy. Yeah,
So,
you split all bits again.
So if I grab that, you grab this. Now you don't have to be
Anywhere in particular?
So
Right.
see the fat bit here.
Fat
You want
bit's
to aim
where
for the middle.
Aim
as much
for
as
the
you
middle
can.
of the
It doesn't
fat
have to be
bit.
an exact science, but
Right.
there we go.
Okay,
Now,
1, 2,
press it as hard as you can. Hold it once it's tight for 2 seconds, and release. That's done.
Just like that,
Just like that. Now you can tell from the flaring. That's how you check if it's been crimped. You can see the colour difference as well. That will now withstand up to 78 bar of pressure. Okay.
I've not been seeing much of that in a domestic system. Pressure that high.
Not that high. But if you now try to remove that, it ain't going anywhere. It's not going anywhere at all. what will give is the actual pipe.
Is it? It's barrier as well, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yeah. So it doesn't matter if the pipe gets scratched. It won't kink. You can get it into all sorts of areas as well. Yeah. It's got all the advantages of a push fit system, but a press fit, you get everything else as well.
Aye, I quite like my press. I always press these days.
Absolutely. Yeah. It's got all of your fittings are the same size. Everything's nice and slim.
Is it still like 16, 20, 25, 32 or sizes wise?
16s, 22s, 28s and 10s. And the flow rates on them are really high.
Aye, it doesn't quite look as restrictive as some other.
And there's no moving parts, no O-rings, nothing like that. It is everything you see.
If you feel the end of the fitting as well, it's got a chamfered end.
Yes.
You picture, let's say, like, let's say push it for argument's sake, and you look at an insert. The insert's got a flat face which creates turbulence at the fitting, which will then slow the flow. With that, where it's got the chamfered end, it literally pulls the water into the fitting. So our flow rates are exceptional compared to almost any similar type.
Fantastic. Right, can I steal a fitting then?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So this is only for plastic, isn't it?
Can I grab those?
Are you
Aye.
banking it to properly?
So you
And
can.
that will put you into
So
price
what
draw.
pressure do the fittings go up to?
So we recommend you test at just 7
Brilliant,
bar,
thank you,
7
Ian.
bar,
Fantastic.
Yeah.
At 76 bar, we've got a video, but at 76 bar.
Oh shit. Ace bags there.
Do you want one?
Yes,
You take
please.
one, and there you go, my friend. It's
Fantastic.
also free coffee or free beer on us as well. Just go that way, mate.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh man, and this is meager pickings here. Right, I have no fucking idea where I'm going. And these are the pens and the measuring tapes.
Threw me out there.
Somebody free good in his hand, come on. Cheers.
I'll pinch a couple too, thank you very much. Lovely. Oh. Yeah, they look pretty smart. Right, stick them on the outside. Out in the main concourse.
I'm looking to be there.
Excited by it. Very nice to meet you.
Expand what you already do, or just change registration?
Sorry? Take one of those.
Yeah,
anyway, that would probably be your best
I'd
bet.
like to just go to
an email. The oil, the oil solid fuel.
You download the
Break it down.
Get a bracket which makes it sit on its back.
Formula One car.
Nah, I'm fat enough, thank you though. Thank you. Pens always get used.
You're going to need some sugar to give you a hit and get you around through today, mate.
Yeah, I'm still getting over last night's hangover. At least I got it between 12 in the morning and like 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
There's Alex! Man, he's growing in stature. I am, yeah.
You here all day?
Aye, all day the day and all day the morning. I'll be honest with you, it's been meagre pickings on the old freebies hunt so far, so I was glad to get a few pets. I thought everyone had tubbed it. Oh, I get coffee mug as well. What I'm doing is, I'm going to collect it all and then do a draw on LinkedIn. Okay. If I get any cuddly toys though, they're mine. I like the cuddly toys, but pens, all that shit, I'll just tell anyone. If you've not been to installer,
Ian Chapman, I see your name quite a lot on the
LinkedIn. I'm a wannabe. Nah, I quite enjoy it.
I see you handing out advice on like the gas chat and...
Aye, gas chat, and there's a few gas groups.
Yeah.
It's nice to be nice in this world. It doesn't cost much bar 5-10 minutes of your time.
I agree, yeah. There are people who are asking for a bit of advice, they're not sure, and it's easy to pass on that bit of information.
Aye,
Let's do it. Yeah.
I always say that in the trades, gas guys are some of the biggest bunch of bitches out there.
Yes.
I've no time for it. I don't understand why you'd want to be a dick to someone that needs help.
Yes. I agree.
That is all it.
Yeah,
right, I better keep getting wrong. I'll see Alex in a bit. Alan.
How you doing?
Ian. Chapman.
How you doing?
Not bad, pal. How you
Ian.
doing? Sorry, did I interrupt your walk round?
Live, Ian. Have you got out to say?
We're going to have a great time here.
Live on TikTok.
Live on TikTok. Look at this shirt.
What's your account on TikTok?
Don't know. Chaps eating probably, mate. But you're filming me and I'm filming you.
Nice one. Right, I'll see you in a bit.
See you, pal. Choking on a baby already.
You mean in the back? Yeah, when you looked up.
And it's only day one.
I was being serious
You're the one who's
about
got fluffs though.
Money?
No, no.
Let's just get straight to it then.
Hi, are you okay?
Yes, I've got one.
You've got one?
I've got one.
What, one of our ones?
Yes, one of your ones. In fact, I've got two of your ones.
What ones have you got?
The Razzie 300C and I've got a Viessmann
Delta's man.
Delta. Aye. The Delta is the one I need to send back in to get serviced
Yeah.
because I bought it off somebody and it's no calibrated.
Okay.
But I've just not quite got around to it. I quite like it. Aye, the Razzie 3 I quite like. It took a wee bit of getting used to when you're going for cane for X amount of years, but
Yeah,
I like the program you have where you can log all your details and for each service and stuff. Is that a free tote bag over there? Is it?
Yes. Well, because this isn't going to be compatible with any of that, I need the entire CPA one kit.
Okay, CPA 1 kit, okay.
You know that I'm just here at purely black stuff. Do you need a scan too?
Please, thank you.
So, would you want the printer?
Are you interested in any other products? Are you happy with the service that you've got?
Aye, no, you
It's 1,000.
products bang on, the service has been great. Can't ask for any more than that.
Perfect.
See ya.
Did you email that second new brochure? Basically, you don't need to go back home. Now you've done all that. Alright, mate?
Aye.
Good.
Sorry about the loud shirt.
Oh, mate, no, it's
Is that
stand out in the crowd, don't you?
Aye, I thought why not? Is that those freebie bags? Are they?
Got
Fantastic.
some chocolate coins in there.
I'm fat enough, but thank you for that lovely offer. I'm trying to go.
many heat bumps and whatnot.
I've done two. One was at a college where we actually got one of your manifold setups and slinky kits.
All right, yeah.
What
college was that?
West Lothian College.
I was going to say, I bet it was north of the wall. Really,
Yes,
wasn't it?
it was. Right, I'm losing things here.
I know. It's only going to get worse as the day goes on.
I know. I've got a bigger bag.
Nah, you don't want to be too over encumbered, though, do you?
Nah, the
Walking
thing,
around like a snail.
the thing had wheels on it, and I thought it would be good, but it'd be a wee bit overkill. Right.
Well, you say that, now you can probably deal with it.
I quite like the manifold kit. See, try to cut slinkies, and get them
Moving and malleable and whatnot, it could be a laborious
out.
task,
It's
can't it?
fucking hard ask. You know what I mean? Because it's solid with 11mm thickness walls.
Yeah.
But it was very good.
Yeah, good. Good.
I need to find the people for an installer because I'm supposed to be doing some penalty kick thing. Tomorrow's penalty kick thing.
Alright.
I better ping her a message because I think it's kicking off at 12.
Yeah?
What's the time? It's only
20 past 10.
hours left. Hours. Grab a couple of pens. Thank you very much.
Very good manager. Very, really clever. But he is not clever.
Oops. bigger than I thought. Oh, that's it.
Continuously monitors the water quality and improves it as we need to. So options always try to improve. If you look at anything outside, always try to fix it and maintain it. So if we remove the dissolved oxygen from water, we can actually we call it a 1, 2, 3 process. So dissolved oxygen scaling. What it's doing is designed to alter them characteristics.
Not bad, pal.
You alright?
Breathing out my hole already, and it's only fucking half an hour into the first hour.
No. Do you want a Viper gas cap? I think that'd look bloody lovely on you.
I'd take any caps. It stops the heat sweating so much as well.
On mine, Ian, I go to that single.
Oh man, that's fucking bad timing that. Oh, they'll just go straight into the bag.
Right?
That's quick work.
Right, man, you've got to be faster, no faster last.
Take that out. I should have done that for you, shouldn't I?
You should have, because I'm like, I've got one hand here.
I'll do it for you, look. Look nice like that.
So, have you any idea where the installer folk are then? Somewhere in the middle, is
Yeah,
that?
I think so,
Right in the very middle.
Right, because I'm doing some fucking penalty kick thing with them about midday. So I think that's the only thing I've got to try and remember not to miss.
Ian, come on, we've got to get a photo.
Oh,
Lovely bloody cap on, come on.
Oh, is it selfies there?
Yeah, we do selfies. Let's get a higher so we can see the cap. Good man.
Fantastic.
Yeah, look, would you like a bag for that book, sir?
But see, the
There we go.
wonderful service you get here.
Oh, I do try. Do you fit Houghton?
Aye, I borrowed a table with him last night, so I'm dab hand. Right. Just me as fucking roasting here already.
I mean, it was quite cold when we first got it.
Aye, but now the temperature's just rising. I'll just be this puddle of. Oh, that's it. I was going to go and Rob. Oh, sorry, Rob gas safe. That's what I was going to say. Rob gas safe. Oh, is this van stickers?
You registered, yeah?
Yeah.
Registered, so take a sticker.
Thank you.
Pad.
A couple of pens and a pencil and a pad would always be great. Great, so I can stick this on my van. Woo! Thank you. I'll be about 2 stone lighter by midday. Right, Jonathan, Ian Chapman.
Mr. Chapman,
How you doing, pal? Can I pinch a couple of freebies, please?
Yes, mate. Help yourself. 5G.
39D.
Are you looking at going down the MCS route or anything like that?
Aye, but it's just trying to get. I've got one job. But I'm with Snipev, so I don't think you guys touch me because I'm Scotland. I'm with your Scotland, yes. Because I did phone you up about that. I was like, I'll join someone else, and they're like, no.
What's the company, mate?
Alpha.
Oh, that's
Alpha, I've not seen Alpha yet.
I can't find them.
Yes.
So you haven't looked down that way, because 5Gs was it sort of when...
Yeah, 5G 39.
Where's the first G here? 5G 19, 20, 17.
Man, I'm gonna.
A massive issue, isn't it?
It is. No, just that. It feels absolutely boiling in here. Right.
Into that next style. Oh yeah.
How are you? Well?
Not too bad. They look better than me, Brexit.
I've got over to the other side, so we're now doing renewables.
Hey, you're right.
I'll see you guys.
Hey, James.
Hello there.
Fuck up on for here. No, you. There we go.
Hey, you're right.
Just stick my card in there.
Oh, okay.
There you go. I'll swap you freebie for freebie.
Oh,
okay?
thanks.
Can I scan you, mate?
Of course you can, pal.
So, you
super.
local, are you?
Nah, Edinburgh.
Edinburgh, okay.
No, just in the corner.
So who are you using at the moment for your heat pumps, or do you not do
The two I've done have both been supplied.
Right.
I quite liked the Valent Aerotherm. I thought it was really quiet, works well.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, I've no enough experience generally of fitting them to have any super preference.
What size was the Valent?
It was feeding one radiator in a college, so it was 3.5 kilowatts.
Yeah, smallest one.
But it was really silent when it was running, you know. I had to put a piece of paper up to show folks that it was running because you couldn't really hear it.
I'll be honest, mate, they're all the same.
Aye.
They're all
I don't ken where people have got this. Oh man, it's like a fucking aeroplane coming down your garden and that.
They're not that bad.
You know what I mean?
They used to be when they had the fixed speeds.
Aye. But
when they had the fixed compressor, but not now.
like Kennan, as soon as money starts getting thrown at things, the biggest advancement starts happening. Give it 15 years, you'll probably have wall-mounted heat pumps.
Yeah.
Combi wall-mounted heat pumps, something like that. Probably. I could just be speaking shite.
And what it will be is just instantaneous heaters as well. So you won't really have any storage for hot water. It'll come in.
Just straight water.
Yeah.
So did you lift all this shit in here yourselves?
I didn't. You did.
I gave me must have had a pallet barrow or something, would you?
Literally a skateboard. So.
See, using genius stuff like that, you have to use it, you know what I mean? It saves you bursting yourself.
So how did you install the Valent? Like, obviously I know how to install it.
Aye,
was it buffer system or?
No, just a volumizer. One radiator, you know what I mean? It didn't need much more than that.
24 litres of it?
15. We did have the...
24 litres of volume in the whole system?
Aye, roughly. Aye. 6 or 7 in the radiator.
You don't need much to take. So we do everything with, well, we don't use buffer tanks alone ourselves.
Aye.
So we do completely open loop.
Not as much
Brandon.
Brendan?
Yes.
So Brendan was the technical
yes.
director. He's gone to British Gas now.